Hi, I'm Manisha Nair Dhawan. The evolution of luxury real estate in India has been marked with significant growth, particularly in urban centers where economic development and global exposure have fueled the demand for high-end living spaces. Gurugram stands out as a prime example of this transformation, emerging as a hub of luxury real estate in the last couple of decades. And today, we are featuring a new age real estate organization with a 75-year business legacy. And the brains behind the brand are real estate veterans aiming to set new benchmarks in design and living standards. We're talking about Trivog. Let's welcome Mr. Gurpal Singh Chawla and Sahaj Chawla, Managing Directors of Trivog. Thank you so much for joining us. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Anisha. Thank you for coming over to the office, and the pleasure is all ours.
Gurpal, let me begin with you. Can you tell us about Trivog and what differentiates it from other brands?
Yeah, thank you, Anisha. I think it's an interesting question. Everyone wants to know about that. So to tell you guys about Trivog, I think first I'll have to tell you the history of our Chawla family. So it goes back to the 1940s where our grandfather, Shri K.S. Chawla ji, he started the entrepreneurial journey. He was a very dynamic businessman and he did a lot of industries, finally got into electronics, and he created an iconic brand called Prestige. And at Prestige, we were always the pioneers in innovation, and they also got the quartz technology in India. They were the first ones to get the quartz technology. So I think there is all where the business blood comes from. And as far as the real estate investments are concerned, I think they go back to 1990s. And being businessmen, where do you put your disposable income? I think that's all. The real estate was the best asset. So all our commercial and retail grade A assets we started building from the 1990s, and they're all rented, and we have a healthy portfolio. Then comes the second generation, our fathers and our uncles and chachas. They co-founded a brand space in Gurgaon, and that's delivered over 15 projects and 15 million square feet. So now we are here taking their realm forward with Trivog. And to answer your question again about the differentiator, so with such a big and old, business legacy, I think they've instilled so many values and principles in us. So innovation remains at the core of our, at Trivog. And I think I would humbly say that we are going to redefine the luxury real estate in Delhi, Gurgaon.
So it seems like entrepreneurship and innovation runs in your blood. So Gurpal, could you tell us that you're a third generation leader. How do you see the future of Trivog unfolding under your leadership?
So as I told you, our elders are a strength, and we have had so many, there was no age bar, from the 10 years, 12 years, business conversations used to run in our family all the time, dinner tables, car rides, and whenever. And we also made it a point that, whoever is running the business in the office, we have the lunch together. So we love discussing each other's successes, failures, high points, low points at the lunch table in the office. So that gave us insight about everyone, and gaining so much experience from that. I think I can proudly say that, हमारे पास 75 सालों की legacy है, and we have the next 75 years vision. So that is how we're going to take it forward.
So in this 75-year-old vision, what do you see Trivog doing? I mean, you have a past, but now what is ahead for you? Beyond Gurgaon, are you looking at something beyond Gurgaon? Is it only going to be luxury? Is it going to be real estate, which is residential, commercial? What are you looking at for Trivog?
As far as we're concerned for the next 3 years to 5 years, I think Gurgaon is going to be our key, because that is where our dominance has been, and we know this market. So we're going to launch about 2 to 3 projects a year. We're not in a hurry, or we're not in a number game to launch a lot of projects every year, because we believe that every project has at least a 5 to 7 year cycle. So, completing that, giving the people what we promise and delivering that, and once they're set in their houses, or let's say their offices, that's where the final success is. People think that launching the product is success. That's not there. You know, have to deliver whatever we promised. So that's a 5 to 7 year journey. So yes, for the next 3 to 5 years, there's going to be Gurgaon itself, be it residential, luxury residential, commercial assets and retail assets. And then slowly and steadily, we're going to go to the tier 2 cities for townships and, plots. But it's going to be Delhi NCR for now.
All right. Sej, coming to you. What are the latest trends in luxury real estate? Because of the last few years, it's been a huge growth in luxury real estate. Some statistics are putting a growth of 80% or so coming in just Gurugram, Delhi NCR area. So what are the latest trends in luxury real estate?
See, I feel luxury real estate market is evolving. People are going towards wellness and sustainability. People are educated and now they need places where they get all their amenities like gyms, spas, play areas for kids. And I feel real estate has a lot to give to the people, and I think now is the time when people are realizing that luxury and good properties are what they're looking for. And obviously location is the key. Good location and amenities are the things which are changing the luxury market in real estate, and especially in Gurgaon, where there are a lot of people all from India who are moving to Gurgaon and they think this is the future.
Sej, do you think the COVID pandemic has actually shaped the development of luxury real estate in places like Gurugram? Because at this point, there was this sudden, few months where people were holed into their homes and they suddenly felt ki jagah puri nahi hai. We need bigger spaces. We need more rooms. And that is why, the demand for larger houses, better amenities just skyrocketed.
I think that was the time where actually people got like immense time to spend with their family and also at their homes. And then they realized that, at the end of the day, this is where you get your happiness. This is where you get everything you require in life. And I feel that is the reason even the real estate market and the builders have realized that you have to give them the amenities, we have to give them a space and a place where they can really feel safe, secure and enjoy their life and have a good, happy life there. I think
post-COVID, people realizing the importance of their houses and, the bigger spaces, and especially everyone wanted the space of their own, be it husband, wife, children, they wanted space of their own. And the 2 BHKs, the trend in Gurgaon was 2 BHKs. So there was no space to their own. So that evolved. And the good part is that all the developers, realized the demand of the customers, that they needed bigger houses, and that gave courage to the customers also to build bigger houses and with better amenities and luxury and specification to them. People were so busy in their lives that they just thought that we just have to come to the house to sleep. Otherwise we are out. Now you look at the nuclear families, both husband and wife are working. So they just said that, we come home for 8-10 hours. We don't need such big spaces or luxury. But everyone started realizing the value of time, the value of spending time with their family, and what best in a community in your own residential development or the houses. So that's why the bigger houses are preferred now.
Right. So Sej, what are the standout amenities of luxury projects? Do you provide these kind of amenities in your projects?
See, I feel amenities are always there in all the projects, but I think there is a lot of scope and there's a lot we can offer on the table. And at Trivok, we also think to give amenities which are different from the others. And yes, definitely we have a lot planned in our mind to give, and we want our customers to feel that they're invested at the right place at the right time. And hopefully we can deliver and the best possible in the market, and we're looking forward to that.
And amenities and luxuries all underrated. I think more so the customers, they want experiences as well. So we're always discussing with the colleagues and the staff and everyone that whoever comes, any customer who comes, he should be treated like a king. That's a cliche saying, but yes, that is. And because people are investing their hard-earned money. So amenities, every developer will want to give the best amenities. Everyone will say, I'll give the best amenities. But ultimately, it's being taken care of. You're taking a decisive bet on a developer, on a property that's going to be made. So they need to be felt, heard, and they need to be felt that they're taken care in the best way. So at our core, I think that's what we are planning to do more, that people have felt heard and people have felt that yes, they'll get the best out of whatever properties they buy, be it the houses, be it the commercial assets, the retail assets. So that's where we want to, up our game.
Right. Right. So when it comes to brand ambassadors, when you were, zeroing down, how did you then come upon Saif and Kareena for your brand ambassador?
See, as you know, Saif comes with the legacy of the Pataudi family. Kareena is the epitome of luxury, and she is and has been called the queen of Bollywood. And she also has a legacy of the Kapoor families. They have been in the Bollywood industry from a very long time. And we introduced Revoke as a brand of luxury and legacy. So, no, who else is better than Safina to take it ahead for us? And I think that is why we thought they're the best for us, and I think they're quite evidently there to give a message to the market that we are here for luxury and legacy.
Great. They epitomize your brand of luxury, right? This is really interesting stuff, and we will continue with this conversation. But first, we're going to slip into a break, come back for more. Welcome back. We're talking to Mr. Gurpal Singh Chawla and Mr. Sahaj Chawla, Managing Directors of Revoke. Gurpal, can you tell us more about your new luxury project?
Absolutely, Anisha. I'll be very happy to discuss about the first luxury project, Revoke Royal Residences, which we're getting under this brand. So, this project was picked up in an HSBC auction, and it is on one of the best locations in Gurgaon, I would say, Sector 56, Golf Course Road. Golf Course Road has been such a mature location and can't get better than that. All your retail, all your office spaces, all your shopping centers, all your best schools, best hospitals are just in a 1 kilometer radius. So for all the royal residences for this project, what better than this, the location and the kind of facilities and the amenities we're going to provide them here. So after picking up this project, we discussed with a couple of funds, and once we were discussing with the Blackstone Bag ESK fund, Amit ji and Bhavan ji, the senior leadership there, they were so happy about the location and so convinced with our vision how to develop this project that they immediately wanted to come on the project, and they partnered with us for this project. After that, we wanted the best of consultants on board. Those consultants are the one who make or break a project. So the principal consultant here is Morphogenesis. They're known for building all the Trump Towers in India. And recently they got fame by building the Surat Diamond Boss in Gujarat, which is the biggest office facility there. And it was also inaugurated by our dear Prime Minister, Mr. Modi ji. So when we were discussing with the co-founder, Sonali, she's a dear friend, and we were discussing about the project, over a couple of coffee sessions and a lot of meetings, they came up with this unique design of a twin tower with connected sky deck on the top. So that's where we were so excited about that project, and then we went on adding more consultants to the project. And for interiors, we always wanted somebody who would do justice to this project. So Zafar ji, who owns Habitat Architects, our association with him goes back 15 years, and he's built so many masterpieces and such good clubs and houses all over India. So we thought we'll just go ahead with him, and the kind of 3Ds and the projections he's doing, I think everyone's going to love it when it's going to come. And then the major part, we always wanted that landscaping should be the best part of the project. So that made us go and look at foreign consultants, and then we zeroed down on Cooper Hills. They're a Singapore-based landscape consultant, and they've done so many projects there, and in India as well. Like I think Magnolias is done by them, many more to say so. And so they came up with a very good vertical concept with this project, vertical landscaping. And we have landscaping not only on one level, it's a 3-tier landscape. So once you enter the project, the ground floor is totally free of any vehicular movement. It is filled with all the greenery, the parks, the walking spaces, children playing spaces, elderly playing spaces. Then we go to the 4th floor where there's the club, and we have equal amount of space inside than outside. So fountains there, pools especially for the kids, the jet play areas, sunken gardens, and then we go to the sky deck. The sky deck is the highlight. We wanted sky deck not only for the views. People going above 100 meters. First of all, in India, it is, or in Delhi, Gurgaon, I would say it is not too common to go up to 100 meters and, move around. So we wanted a usable sky deck. So they've come up with such fantastic design with yoga pods, with amphitheaters, with, barbecue decks, everything, jogging tracks. So that's about it. And I think it's going to be one of the best projects ever planned.
I'm sure it sounds very interesting, but could you tell us, Gurpal, why the golf course road? Because, there are so many more upcoming areas in around Gurgaon. Gurgaon itself has expanded so much. Why this particular location? And I mean, because of that location, you think it's already a success? Could you talk to us more about that?
I think location has always been a key, if it be it for the investors or the end users. Today traveling time, I'm sorry to say, but it's been a pain in Delhi, Gurgaon, So what best than a centrally located location? And no, we don't have to tell anyone that the upcoming roads here or these roads will join or this and that. So this already centrally located in the heart of Gurgaon, and Golf Course Road has so much. Like DLF has done wonders to the Golf Course Road. So it's a privilege for us to be part of that bandwagon.
Right. Gurpal, I want to understand, you've spoken about landscaping, you've spoken about the sky deck. I want to understand whether sustainability is important for you and whether at all it is important for your end users as well. And how do you plan to incorporate, green building norms in your projects?
So, we just don't want to deliver like luxury and beautiful projects. We also want to deliver sustainable living spaces. So for that, we've taken a lot of measures like, treated water, recycled water, solar panels, and like for paints, low VOC paints, which are lead free, and there are many more. And they're, using energy efficient HVAC units and maintaining the inside AQI of that buildings is what we prioritize at coming forward.
I would also like to add something here. So with the unique design, as he mentioned, we have also have a unique design for the people who are staying here. Our first apartment, which starts, is about 80 feet from the ground height. They'll have clear views for the Ravlis and the Golf Course Road. And
absolutely, I missed that. I think all the housing and the dwellings, all the units start from the ground floor. They don't get good views. So we designed it in that way that the first habitable floor starts from the 5th floor, and there are unobstructed views from the 5th to the 27th floor. The apartments in itself are designed so uniquely that they have running balconies, like be it the 3 BHK or the 4 BHK. We've not compromised on the room sizes. So 4 BHK has all 4 equally big in room sizes with walk-in wardrobe spaces and everything. So there are a lot of things that have come up with such good professional architects on board, and we are all geared up, I think, to make it one of the most successful and the biggest and the most beautiful project that everyone's going to see.
I'm sure the whole market must be waiting for this. Sahaj, what's coming up next for Trivak? Any new or upcoming project that you'd like to mention?
I would say it's just the starting for Trivak. We are here to stay for a long time. As my brother mentioned, that we're here for we have a 75-year vision. We're looking for some grade A luxury projects in terms of even retail and commercial, and some township and tier 2 cities. As far as Gurgaon is concerned, we'll be looking for some beautiful projects in SPR and Dwarka Expressway. Just a hint, our next project is already planned and we'll be coming out soon with the details. It's on Dwarka Expressway.
That's one of the best sectors in Dwarka Expressway.
Yes, that's what we can give right now, but soon everyone's going to get to know about that as well.
So we're all waiting with bated breath for details for that. But Sahaj and Gurpal, thank you so much for speaking with us. Thank you for your time and this insightful conversation.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Pleasure's all ours. Yeah. Thank you.
As Trivak strides confidently into the future, it remains unwavering in its commitment to redefining luxury real estate through innovation, sustainability, and unparalleled excellence. Every aspect, from cutting-edge amenities to panoramic views, is meticulously curated to elevate and enrich the living experience. Dedicated to its core values of innovation and customer satisfaction, Trivak ensures that each project leaves a lasting impact on both the community and the environment. Rooted in the Chawla family's rich entrepreneurial legacy and bolstered by a distinguished track record of delivering exceptional projects, Trivog is not merely building the future of real estate, it is eloquently defining the essence of luxury in its most authentic form.